Once upon a time, in the small town of Harmonyville, there lived an ordinary girl named Lily. What set Lily apart from others was her extraordinary superpower, kindness. In a world filled with chaos and challenges, Lily's ability to spread joy and compassion became her superpower. One sunny day, as Lily walked through the town square, she noticed a group of children feeling dejected. They were trying to build a tree house but were struggling with the construction. Lily approached them with a warm smile and offered to help. With her kindness as a guiding force, the children soon found themselves not only building a tree house, but also creating a bond that would last a lifetime. Word of Lily's superpower spread throughout Harmonyville. People sought her out when they needed a helping hand or a comforting word. Whether it was consoling a friend through tough times or assisting an elderly neighbor with household chores, Lily's acts of kindness were like a beacon of light in the community. One day, a mysterious villain named Discordia arrived in Harmonyville. Discordia thrived on sowing seeds of discord and chaos. As the town faced turmoil, Lily knew she had to use her superpower to counteract Discordia's negative influence. Lily organized a Harmony Festival, inviting everyone in town to come together and celebrate the power of kindness. The festival featured activities that promoted unity, understanding, and, most importantly, acts of kindness. Slowly but surely, the atmosphere in Harmonyville began to change. Discordia, witnessing the transformation, grew increasingly frustrated. No matter how much chaos she tried to create, Lily's kindness overshadowed it all. As the townspeople embraced the spirit of unity, Discordia found herself powerless against the strength of their collective compassion. In a final attempt to disrupt the newfound harmony, Discordia confronted Lily directly. However, instead of retaliating, Lily approached her with empathy. She listened to Discordia's story of loneliness and despair, realizing that beneath the villainous exterior was a soul in need of understanding. Lily's kindness worked its magic once again as Discordia's heart softened. Touched by Lily's compassion, Discordia chose to change her ways. The once a villainous force became an unexpected ally in spreading kindness throughout Harmonyville. From that day forward, Lily continued to use her superpower to inspire others. The town of Harmonyville thrived, not just because of the absence of discord, but because kindness had become the true superpower that bound its people together in love and understanding.